Deacon, Sophie Show.
I'm Deacon.
I'm Sophie, and today we are going to be shooting off a rocket. Sounds so...
So guys, for this experiment we're using a 2-liter bottle and baking soda and vinegar.
We're shooting this thing to the moon where Albert Snorter was born. That's an alien name and I don't know what I'm saying. Wink, wink, wink.
Run! So guys, we used a 1-liter and a 2-liter bottle in this challenge. I think the 2-liter worked better. And this is our friend Matthew. Which one do you think worked better?
I say the 1-liter because it went higher.
Okay.
It was less light.
Which one do you think went better?
The fat boy.
The 2-liter. Why?
Fat.
Okay. Alright guys, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification so you never miss out on any of our videos. And like. And yeah, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Meow, meow, meow. Rocket, meow, 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 meow. Bottle leader, meow. Meow.
Update, this is the end of the rocket. We're gonna blow it up.
Fire! Baby on my fire! Fatty didn't make it.
So guys, the rocket didn't make it to the moon this time. Look at it. It's demolished. Yes, sir.
The fat stuff.
Alright guys, see ya. Bye.
Bye. Meow, classic meow, meow, bottle leader meow, 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 baby on fire.